Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the new Frog E400 excavator. Let's take a look at what accessories are included: guardrail, signs, logo and railing clips, rear view mirror, sticker, remote control shoulder strap, X14 remote control. Install the side guard railings of the excavator. Install the rear view mirrors. Open the cab door. Main power switch of the excavator. Excavator display screen. Openable and closable doors and windows. Openable sunroof. Dual fan cooling system. Battery using XT60 connector. Pump pressure gauge. Valve body section. Simulated chimney. Can be opened to inspect the internal condition. Spring support rod. Warning lights and rear cabin lights. The hydraulic control system consists of 3 pumps and 4 curved linear directional valves and a high-precision Rusukai servo combined with a Frisky system. This is the location of the fuel tank. Pedals. Display of the installed guardrails and rear view mirrors. Neat hydraulic line layout. Each machine has an individual nameplate number carefully calibrated before the entire machine leaves the factory to ensure the best operational feel.